What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Watch. Welcome back to Jay Watch TV. We got another unboxing and something different. Stay tuned. So before we start this video, we got a special guest right here. Tomorrow is her birthday, so when you see this video Monday, it will be her birthday. So I want everybody that watched this video to say happy birthday, and we're about to sing this little happy birthday to her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Aaliyah. Happy birthday to you. So as you know, that is my daughter. She turns 4 tomorrow, so y'all make sure y'all say happy birthday to that. So this box right here is going to be something new on my channel. Y'all haven't seen me unbox something like this on my channel. It is you're just going to wait to see it. But before, let's get to the notifications right here. Notification comments on this side over here. I'm going to post it. You know how it is. Notification gain and people who comment on the videos. Y'all blew that last video up from Holly's surprise for the Flint 13s. We at like 60 something likes right now. It's only been up for a day, almost 2 days, man. Thank you for the support, man. We're gonna keep grinding. We almost hit 100 subscribers this week. I think we're sitting at about 80 something. So 80 subscribers in 7 days, I'll take that any day of the week. Keep growing, man. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button, that like and comment. Share this video on Instagram. I'm gonna repost it for you guys. And this video, can we get another 50 likes? 50 likes, we're gonna do that until we keep passing 50. So for every video for right now, we're gonna hit 50 likes. So let's get to this video with this my baby steak knife. If y'all can tell me what y'all think this is, let me show you guys. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below what y'all think this is. Go while I open it. Damn, where can I cut this shit? Alright. Alright, so hopefully y'all got your comments in right now. This, like I said, it's something different. It's something different on my end. I mean, I got multiple pairs, just not this silhouette. Alright. Hopefully I like these, or I'm going to sell them. So if I do not fill this, make sure y'all hit me up on IG. If I fill it, obviously you'll know. So boom, 700, a Yeezy 700. That's not even a thing. A Yeezy 700, size 12, my size. So I was just chilling whenever Saturday it was, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to Yeezy Supply when it dropped and just see. So I waited like 2.5 hours, and it finally let me in, and I was like, man, I waited 2 hours. Let me just go ahead and cop it. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I'll sell it. So I stayed in line for 2 hours. It let me through, and then I couldn't find my bank card. So and they don't let you do PayPal through Yeezy Supply. I guess it was my first time using it, and it didn't let me use it. So I had to search for like 30 minutes for my bank card, and then I finally got it, and they still let me check out 30 minutes later. So this is the Yeezy 700 MNVN. I don't know what the hell that means, but Kanye put it on the box, so we just gonna go with it. Black is the colorway, and that is it. So let's pray I like these, man. Alright, we're gonna open it together, y'all. Let's open this together. Let's pray together. 1, 2, 3. Y'all gonna look for me before me. Is it dope? Is it keep? Oh my God, this is $250. Here we go. So this is the 700. Oh my God, that stuff looks so ugly on camera too. Oh my God. Anyway, 700 Yeezy, triple black. This was supposed to be the most hyped shoe in 2020 right now, or early 2020 for right now, as of today. And I don't know why. Golly, this nylon already looks like all beat up, wrinkled. Oh my God. They didn't even give you no shoe trees in this, nothing. This is what 250 looks like from Yeezy. Oh my God, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. Oh, it looked like somebody already had them on feet. That's oh my God, this is trash. Shit. And this is so trash. Anyways, I'm gonna give y'all this review. Anyway, so you have your 700. If you can see, 700. I'll put it in B-roll. 700 on your going across the whole shoe on this side, on top of the nylon upper. The shoestrings, you can't even untie them. So you can't untie the shoestrings, and you got nylon going around the whole damn shoe, man. 700 on that side. Is this reflective? I don't know. It looks like, I don't know. It might. Yeah, it looks like it's reflect. So I'll see with that. So the whole shoe looks like it reflects, or most of the shoe looks like it reflects. I'll get some better image of that. But yeah, and then you got, it looks like booster in there too. So it looks like this might be a comfortable shoe, but your boy would never rock this shoe right here. So you got the thick ass midsole, obviously the boost at the bottom with the track pads. I'm sure that's boost right there. The white pads in the middle. This shoe was ugly as hell. Oh my gosh. I don't even bash shoes like that, but man. Like, I don't know who rocks these, bro. Like, would y'all pick these? Or would y'all pick these? I'm going with these right here, bro. These right here, oh my God. They hyping this up, too. They hyped this up, man. They got me in the hype, man. I was watching somebody's live and was like, man, I'm going to go for it. Fuck it. But, not at all. These are trash. I can't even believe I paid $250. So this is a size 12. So if anybody wants this size 12, please hit me up on IG at PrettyBoyJWash. The link will be in description, because these right here is a no-go for me. But let's continue to do this review since I already opened it. Yeah, so like I said, thick midsole. You got your boost at the bottom. You got your untieable shoestrings, it looks like. So I don't even know why they even put the extra holes right here for you to try to put a shoestring in there, but you can't. You have nothing on the opposite side of the shoe, just plain nylon going across the shoe. Like I said, this looks like some reflecting stuff right here. 700 looks like it'll reflect too. Like I said, I'll put some B-roll on that for you guys right there. I am not doing it on feet because these guys are trash and I'm not keeping them. So, like I said, it looks like a comfortable shoe just because that boost is so thick through the whole bottom. It just looks like a comfortable shoe, but it's just not for me. Maybe if I was like 40 years old, dad shoe. But you got your Yeezy inside the shoe. It says just Yeezy with the Adidas sign in there. You got your Adidas at the bottom of the pads. Yeah, this is trash. This is ugly to me. If you guys are feeling this, man, let me know in the comment section below. If you're not, man, let me know in the comment section below. Your boy Jay Wash ain't feeling this, but I'm different than what you. So if you cop, congratulations. This came out last week, I believe, for a hefty $250, and your boy is gonna send this back to Yeezy Supply, or somebody can cop it off of me. Make sure y'all hit me on IG for this. All black shoe, man. You can probably wear this to work. I think it's weatherproof too, waterproof, all kind of stuff. Like, you can beat these things up and probably still look good. But for your boy me, I'm not even rocking it. For Yeezy not to even put a shoe tree in here either, so that's kind of trash on that part right there. But I'm gonna stick with the 350s, the Yeezys, the regular ones, you know, basic stuff like that, because this right here is not cutting it for me. But I hope you guys like that review, man. Make sure y'all get 50 likes on this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if you cop this or not, if you feeling it or not. I'm not. Keep supporting the channel, man. I'm trying to hit close to 3K by the end of June. Let's make that happen. Make sure y'all share this video on IG. I know a couple y'all already sharing it on IG. Appreciate you guys, motivating Rice, and all you guys out there, man. Appreciate you guys for doing that for your boy. Continue to share this. Like this video, man. Leave me a comment section. Get the comment section popping for this shoe right here. This is the Yeezy 700 MNVN trash can. Like, this is so trash, but your boy, man, stay tuned for the next video. I'm out.